we're back from the dealership. We got a couple parts in, not much, but we got a couple in, and I'm gonna be taking this out and replacing it with a brand new one. We also have some O-rings and stuff for it, so let me take it out real quick.
There you go. Hey, you can do it.
Alrighty, so I just got the piece installed and tightened up. I waited 10 minutes and then tightened it back on like that. The seals can be sealed properly. So yeah, next is going to be replacing this. And like I mentioned, we're replacing the whole wiring harness on this thing. So that's going to be a lot of disassembling, but it's going to be worth it. It's the professional way to do it. So yeah, we're going to replace the wiring harness and replace these bearings, tensioning, whatever, pulleys. So let's get straight into doing all of that.
Subaru? Yeah.
Circle car.
Brand new. Oh, and oh yeah, it came with it. This, it was supposed to come separate.
No. The other piece,
Oh, the one that, yeah, we already have that anyways. Oh, brand new. Yep. Merry Christmas. So we just have loosened up everything here. Tomorrow we're gonna open it up.
You guys wanted to clean the motor tomorrow.
Yeah.
Clean it by hand.
The pin trying to get out. There we go. Now we have access to all the wiring. Kind of did it off camera, but it's alright. There it is. Alrighty, so I just quickly cleaned the motor, also took out the wiring harness as you guys saw. Now I'm gonna take out the tape and put the wiring harness back on. We just put the wiring back on. Now we're gonna see if this thing starts. Hopefully it does. Oh, it's getting dark out. Alright, ignition. Ignition's on. Everything's good? Shaking. The throttle body, forgot to connect that. So ignition on again. Everything good? There we go. That's good. Here are the parts that I'm about to replace right now. We got here the idler pulleys and the tensioner, all about to be replaced, so let me change them right now. Alrighty, so we got the belt on already, and this tensioner right here was from the old parts, and for some reason it didn't work, so we had to use the original one, and we just used the pulley. And now we're gonna see if this is still good, so let's go check real quick. So like this oil filter been on fire and it's pretty soft. It's literally breaking. So this is gonna be a little bit tricky to take out, I think. No, that's tight. Wow. Oh, there you go. okay? What happened? Alright, so we just changed everything. Coolant, radiator, everything, fan, oil. We did an oil change. Oil filter from the dealer. We checked the oil, has oil. Now all I have to do is check the transmission oil, and everything seems fine so far. Last we changed the O2 sensor on this side, right over there, and we need to change that one there. It's coming soon. Alrighty, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We did a lot of work on this Subaru. In the next video, we're gonna be burning up everything and hopefully going on a test drive. We're missing the fan and one sensor, which is supposed to come in very soon. As for the hood, we're gonna have to paint it in the next video because unfortunately, this like in the middle, whoever painted this previously did not do a good job and is missing paint. That's what happened when we buffed it. You can see the difference here and the difference here. So in the next video, we'll be painting the hood, hopefully, as well as finishing and burning up this thing. So stay tuned. Peace and God bless.